What is up, telescopes? It's your girl Talise, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another video. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got during ULTA's Love Your Skin event, which ended I think a week ago or something like that. They had this event where a lot of stuff was 50% off, and some other things were like buy one get one 40% off, buy one get one 50% off. There was a lot of good sales going on, so I didn't buy too much stuff. I only bought 3 things, but I did want to show you guys what I got. ULTA is definitely one of my weaknesses, and like my girl Gigi Loves Beauty too, I am really trying to chill on them in 2021. I want to just purchase from them a lot less. Hopefully I can do it because they do have some great sales and some great coupons, and as you guys already know, I can barely say no to a sale. Barely. But I really plan to keep it to just necessities and just amazing sales that I cannot say no to on things like Curlsmith or like just some amazing new brand that comes out that is on sale. And then after I show you guys what I got from ULTA, I'm also going to be unboxing the January 2021 Boxycharm, the base box. And my sister told me to stop saying that it's just her box. It's our box apparently, which is just so sweet. So shout out to her.
My sister gets me way too lit.
Before we get started with this video, I want to say welcome back to all my subbies, my telescopes, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. The first 2 products that I got from ULTA are my favorites from UpCircle. The first one is, of course, my favorite moisturizer ever. It's the UpCircle Face Moisturizer with the fine powder of discarded argan shells. Super extra product, but also amazing. It has salicylic acid in it, which my skin loves, and it really just helps me to fight acne. So I love this moisturizer. And then I also got their face serum with repurposed coffee extract. And I've been using them both for a while now. I've been using the moisturizer for longer, but I do really like them. I was debating whether or not I was going to buy the serum again because it is, I think, like $20 for only 1 ounce, and that's just really not my jam. I don't do that. I don't get that. Hell to the no, to the no, no, no. But I was able to get this for buy one get one 50% off, or I think it was buy one get one 40% off. And I would buy this moisturizer full price. I think it is that good. I would never pay full price for this. I don't think I ever did. I got it on sale the first time I got it, and this is only my 2nd time purchasing it. So if I can continue finding it on sale, I guess I will continue to buy it because I do like it. I stopped using it on its own though. I was using it all alone, but I was like, this is too expensive for that. So now I'm mixing it with my hemp seed oil. This is what the serum and the moisturizer look like outside of the packaging. These are the ones that I'm using right now. And I do have a short showing you guys how I use these products, so I'll leave that down below in the description if you haven't seen it. This serum, it smells exactly like coffee, so if you don't like that, then you probably won't like it. It is a very strong coffee smell, but I feel like it will wake you up in the morning if you use it in the morning. And this is what the moisturizer looks like inside the jar. And it just looks so good to me because I know how good it makes my skin feel. The last product that I got from ULTA was one that was 50% off. It was one that was actually a part of the event. The UpCircle products were not a part of the event. They were kind of like a side sale. They were having a bunch of other sales on like skincare and I think makeup too. But there were some products, like I think 3 or 4 products a day that were actually 50% off. So this is one of those. And it is the Real Complexion Hyaluron Skin Essence. It says it's a 5-in-1 that's for moisturizing, skin glowing, skin boosting, skin balancing, and skin softening. It says it's an 11-free system and it is free of 6 types of parabens, benzoyl alcohol, I don't even know what all this other stuff is. It is just free of a bunch of stuff. And it is 5.7 fluid ounces. And it says that this product has 99% moisturizing ingredients. This is what the packaging looks like. And I've just been wanting to try more essences. The only one that I've tried so far is the Cocoa Kind one that I love. But I'm always, looking to try some new things. I still really want to get into some black-owned skincare. I would love to try a black-owned essence. I'm really just loving essences. So just let me know if you guys know of any. I guess the company is not Real Complexion, it's Hand Skin. which is down here at the bottom. It says Real Complexion at the top, so I was like, okay.
Okay.
The back of the package says that this skin essence containing abundant moisture makes facial complexion look moisturized and bright. It is formulated with hyaluronic acid. It says directions: use after washing the face and tidying up skin and tidying up skin texture. Dispense an appropriate amount onto your palm and gently apply on the face in the direction of skin texture. Okay, this is what the actual product looks like, and this is a product that is brand new to me, but I am really liking the packaging. This pink is really cute, and I am hoping that my skin is gonna just love this and just drink this up. It's supposed to really moisturize, so I hope that that's the case. Let me know if you guys would like to see an actual review of this, and I could definitely do that. I could bring skincare tales out. Alright, now it's time for the Boxycharm unboxing for January 2021. And I have the card here, and it says that this month's theme is Fresh Start. So my sister has variation. Looks like they're doing something different now because it says C21011015-BA.
What?
So that's something different. It's usually just like a number. I don't know what's going on now. But if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box. There's levels to it. After the base box, there's Luxe and Premium. Probably not in that order, and I'm not sure about the prices of those or anything like that. I only really know about the base box, which is $25 a month, and there's maybe like added tax or something, so it's like $26.50 or something like that. And my sister gets it every month, but we're basically sharing it now, like I said. So let me show you guys what we got for January. Okay, the first item on the card is the Violet Voss Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette. This palette was designed with universally flattering olives and hues that complement one another flawlessly. It's packed with the most luxe formulas, from creamy mattes, mesmerizing metallics, and impactful foils. Achieve endless eyeshadow looks, from a modern soft sultry to a seductive olive smoky eye that will have them green with envy. And the original price is $34. This is what the packaging for the palette looks like. The Olive You Forever palette from Violet Voss. We have gotten a couple other Violet Voss palettes from their, I can't even think, I think it's the Essentials collection or something like that. We got two Essentials palettes from them, and I do really like both of those. So I'm excited to try this one out. Her formula is really nice. Alright, this is what the colors look like. And it's honestly not as many greens as I was expecting. There's really like two greens, this one here and this one up here. I have already done a green look on the channel, and I was ready to do another one. But I guess I'm going to have to try something a little different with these colors. The colors are very pretty, and the shimmers are definitely my favorites. So I would definitely be putting this to use. The next product is the Pharmacy with an F Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. It says it's an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving the skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. The original price is $38, so that is a pretty pricey moisturizer. This is what the packaging looks like, and it does have papaya on it. So I believe there is papaya in this moisturizer. There's also like a bunch of papaya underneath the product where it says that this was made exclusively for Boxycharm. Yeah, the packaging says this refreshing formula contains a blend of moringa water, papaya, and willow herb phytonutrients known to help reduce shine and clear pores of dirt and impurities. So there is like papaya phytonutrients in here. I don't know what that means, but it does sound really good. The thing is, I am not looking for a moisturizer at all. Like I just said, I have found my favorite, my holy grail. So I probably will not be trying this one. I did look at the ingredients. If there had been some salicylic acid in this moisturizer, I would have probably given it a try, but there isn't any. So I just feel like there's no need. It's just not going to replace my favorite. So I'm just probably not going to try it. I don't know if my sister will try it. If not, then I will put it in a giveaway. This is what the actual product looks like, and I love the packaging. And it looks like this product is actually green, so that is really cute. It's a pretty green. The third product on the card is the Pure 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. It says it's a multi-purpose, all-in-one, broad-spectrum sunscreen, a moisturizer, a primer, and a foundation with SPF 20 that's part of an effortless beauty routine for an ultra-natural looking complexion. And it says the original price is $35. This is what the product looks like, and this is not one that I'm gonna try out, but I think that my sister might. The shade that they sent us was DG6, and this is a 1.7 ounce tube. Next up is the Seraphine Botanicals Apple Plus Baumei Glow Lip Mask. It says boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus jojoba and rosehip oils that work synergistically to keep lips chapped-free, soothed, and plumped all at once. It's made with green apple and pineapple extracts to help rid lips of unsightly dead skin cells and fine lines. And the original price is $25. Alright, this is what the packaging for the lip mask looks like. And there are like apples all over it, which is really cute. This is kind of a fruit themed box with the papaya from the last one and now the apples. I don't know what Baumei is. I don't know if that's a fruit, or I guess I'll Google it and see, and I'll put something up on the screen. The directions say before bedtime, coat lips in a generous layer and leave overnight. Can also be used during the day as a tinted lip glow. Simply slather onto lips alone or dab over any lipstick application. This product says it is vegan. There's no mineral oil, no parabens, no phthalates, no gluten. It's made with shea butter, apricot, jojoba, and rosehip oils. It's made with green apple and pineapple extracts. It's hypoallergenic and it is non-comedogenic. This is what the lip mask looks like, and it is a pretty pale pink. I'll probably check this out tonight before I go to sleep and see how I like it. When you open this up, you can see that it's a pink color and it smells just like apples, and not like a fake apple scent, like a really nice, like real apple scent. It smells really good. And I don't really like apple scents at all, so this is a really good one. And the final product is the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss in the color Unprofessional. It says it's a sheer hot peach that will tell the world you mean business and that your business is none of theirs. HR is already sweating. And the original price is $18. So I don't know about a hot peach. I don't know if that's for me, but let's see what it's looking like. This is what the packaging looks like. It's got like splotches of green and pink all over it. And it says be unapologetically yourself, be beautiful, be ethical. It says it's 10 free and it's made without a bunch of stuff, and it is also vegan and cruelty free. Alright, this is Unprofessional and it is very hot peach. I was not expecting it to be this bright. I don't know if this is me. I guess I'll try it on for you guys right now and we can see. I got a feeling that it's going to be a no-go. Okay, I am pleasantly surprised and I was definitely wrong. This is a very like sheer peach. I think it looks really cute. I actually really like it. So okay, shout out to Trust Fund Beauty for not just sending out a super hot peach to everyone. This is very, very cute. Okay, alright Boxy. You can honestly barely see it at all, and I was expecting it to be like bam, like just in your face. So I actually really like that. I'm sure there are some people who really wanted it to be in your face, so I'm sure some other people were not happy with this color, but I'm loving it. Alright, that is the end of my unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.